we're going to the lake. Oh, what the frick? Is that? Oh. Let me see if I touch it. Boom. Wake up, wake up. Get this stupid box out of here. Why do you even have that? Hi?
Hello.
What are you?
By what I look like, seems I am a robot.
Huh. You want some technology food?
Yes, please.
Eat that. Just eat
I
this.
can't grab it.
Your hands are destroyed, like, completely. You can't even use them. Bro, you can't barely eat it, bro. You don't take a freaking nibble out of it, alright? Let me give you some more different foods. What food do you want to choose from? And even a back there. That one has metal on it, so it's healthy for you. Eat the charger. That can power you up.
Oh.
Alright, this is your iPad. Let me do something real quick. Don't mind me. Not mind me. Oh, what the frick? Why is there a dead body right there? Basically kill this robot. I don't even know what it is. Yo, robot, you wanna go over there?
Yes, please.
Alright, come on. Be careful not to touch the water. It's a bit of the water kind of damaged your system, so yeah, be careful. Welcome to the destroyed place, which is probably where you came from. You probably came from one of the cargoes or something. Probably came from the Yeep one, or probably something like that. Get over there. Get over there. Oh, and I played it. Get in there. Oh, I got killed.